Everyone, it's Amy, and I had just a quick card share. I bought some card-shaped rectangles and card-shaped squares from Create and Craft on TV, and they don't cut on one whole edge of all of these, so they are all three-sided. And on the show Create and Craft, they showed you how to make this card. So I made this for my girlfriend, and we've been friends for years. And the cardstock that I used is not really quite as thick as it should be. I think I should have had thicker cardstock, but this is using one of those edges, and this would be like the front of the card, and it just says the road to a friend's house is never long, which is a Danish proverb, and I made some little flowers there. And then this is a card that flips open like this when you pull on it, and it just says, good friends are like stars, you don't always see them, but you know that they're always there. So this is the card that I made for my good friend, and I thought it turned out okay, except that, like I said, the cardstock is a little bit thin, but it's still a nice card, and so I'm going to take that to her today when I go do my grocery shopping. And then I also made one for my daughter's partner, and he is a chiropractor, so I put a little tag here with his name on it, and I also have, this is his address of his business. I made this door with some wood grain on it, made some little hinges on there, and put some embossing powders on those. Have a little doorknob, and because he's a chiropractor, when you open it up, it's got this little skeleton, and it says, "You crack me up." So, and then that's got a little magnet on it to hold the door shut. So, and then inside I put a little car on this side that says enjoy the ride, and that's to cover up the magnet that I have here on this side. And then just a little sentiment, cherish yesterday, dream tomorrow, and live today. And this is for his birthday. So, yeah, so these are just a couple little cards that I made, and I just thought that I would show you. Thank you all for stopping by. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and thank you for watching. I hope that you have an outstanding day. Bye-bye.